breathing, and
it's just like a massive blood flow.
It's just
Just ton of blood just coming up your side.
Okay,
Like
okay.
anywhere.
So we're gonna say this person does not have, or has blood like right here, a wound. And so then I put this.
Oh yeah, we didn't cover that too, or we didn't make sure there was an exit wound. Go on.
Oh, okay. So then I would put this over the wound, and then I would check for breathing. Person is still breathing, let's say.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good.
He's breathing, and then I look for the airway. So the airway, let's say that the airway is clear. If not, then we would have to take that out or do
So,
I think you went on to CPR.
Yeah.
Since he's got a gaping wound.
Okay,
right
that
there.
makes
yes.
sense. Okay.
So, wait, what?
I don't think you would want to do CPR
Oh, yeah.
like somebody's got an open wound like in the chest or
Right.
exacerbate the injury itself.
Right.
Yes. That's what I was asking. Okay, so cool. So the airway, let's say, is clear. I cleared it out if there is something in there. And then now it's time to look to see if the trachea is like deviated at all. And then if it is.
What other signs and symptoms are there? Not just the trachea. I know I harped on that, but.
Oh, the veins. So this person has bulging veins and their neck, and also cyanosis around their mouth, and their fingers are slightly blue. So we're gonna take the needle and go from the clavicle to this, and then
Yeah. So my trick is like, so if you go like this, and
Yeah.
you can go like this,
gotcha.
and then take it like
Okay.
right about there. Like, I mean, it's not
Oh, that would be right over
100%,
there. Okay.
but that's why you feel like. But that gives you a good
Yeah.
starting point.
So like right above the second? No, right above the second?
But the third.
Above the third. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, right here.
That's a little low. So this is your clavicle.
Yeah.
And then your first. Second. Yes. The thing is just it looks weird.
So I just.
If it doesn't, it's because there's a battery pack there.
Oh, okay,
So
okay,
normally
okay.
it's gonna go in.
Okay, so then I take out the needle and then let the airway out. Wait for further help, basically.
Yeah. What's one thing I forgot to do? Okay. What?
Oh, the
Yes.
exit wound. Okay.
So, I'm saying this because like it's forced to habit, but this is stuff like when we go through our training as medics. One, you guys are getting like 1 hour or half hour increments of training. We go through this for 4 months, and it's like it's this repetitiveness, like so continuously doing something, like going through the steps in your mind to ensuring that you hit every single check. So like don't feel bad.
Yeah, I definitely have to go over all this.
Yeah.
But
So,
yeah, okay, so.
like the needle will go through all the way, just because that's like how far down is it supposed
Yeah.
to go?
So it
Not
yeah,
on the
it should
dummy,
go
obviously, but on a person.
right. So it should go down like close to the bubble.
Okay.
It's like it's gonna go down.
Oh, pretty much close to the orange.
Right. So yeah, this is a bubble.
Okay.
Good question.
Gotcha.
You want to try?